Welcome guys, so today I am back with the unboxing of Realme X50 Pro. This mobile was on sale for Rs 24,999 on Flipkart, and I think it is one of the best options under 25,000. I have replaced my Xperia Z5 with this phone. The outer box looks quite dirty, and I don't know the reason behind that. The price mentioned on the box is 42,999. Here you can see some key specs. Now let's open the box. On the very top, you get this back cover and documentation. The back cover is slightly translucent and it looks sturdy. Now let's see what other things do we get. Here we have the handset, which is in rust red color. Here we get the amazing 65-watt fast charger, which can charge your phone from 0 to 100 in less than 40 minutes. Realme was the first company to give 65-watt fast chargers with their phones. Here we have the data cable, which is quite good in quality. It looks thick and sturdy. Now let's have a look at the phone. This rusty red color combination looks quite unique and great. Now let's see how the back cover fits. It's a bit difficult to put on the back cover, but it fits nicely. Now let's have a look at the buttons and the port. On the left hand side you have the volume rockers. On the bottom side we have the speaker grill, the charging port which is type C, the primary mic and the SIM port. On the right hand side we have the power and on off button. On the top we have just the secondary mic for noise cancellation. One major issue with the ports and button is that you don't get any 3.5mm audio jack, and neither do the company provides 3.5 jack to type C audio cable. Do let me know if you want the complete review of the smartphone. Please like, share and do comment your questions and queries. So guys, that's it for the unboxing video.